ABS-CBN actress vlogger Ivana Alawi made this statement when asked about the cancer rumors and dark predictions of Rudy Baldwin. 2025 started with some predictions from famous psychic and visionary Rudy Baldwin. She is known for her grim and catastrophic predictions. Baldwin shared her prediction about the big one, and her other predictions that caught attention online involved a famous vlogger. She did not disclose the name, but she predicted that this famous vlogger is going to die due to cancer. Baldwin's prediction about the vlogger also included some specific details, such as with 2 sisters and a brother and already having a health scare the vlogger was able to overcome. The description fit Ivana Alawi. The actress has 2 sisters and 1 brother, and last year, she was hospitalized for several days. In a previous article, Ivana emotionally shared her hospitalization story. She suffered extreme abdominal pain due to fluid buildup, and she also has a condition called PCOS, or polycystic ovary syndrome. Recently, she reacted to these grim rumors and predictions. Recently, she had the flu and nothing more that concerns her health. She maintained that she is healthy and that they don't have a family history of anyone being diagnosed with cancer. She assured that she is well and denied the fake news that have been lingering online for a time now. She shared, "Now, it's getting much better at walang katotohanan yung magkaka-cancer ako. Hindi yun true, wag kayong mag-alala, wala kami nun sa lahi." Her mother was concerned because of the fake news, but she also assured her that she wouldn't have a serious disease. She also acknowledges the reality that everyone's ending is death, but she believes that no one can predict this. Wala naman makakapag-predict kung kailan ka mawawala, and it's not something you should be scared of kasi lahat naman tayo darating dun. Ang nakakaalam lang ay ang Diyos, she ended.